friends, so today I'm going to prepare the Taiwanese style dinner. So I'm going to prepare the sprouts fry, then the eggplant curry and rice. So for the sprouts I need the sprouts which I got it from the supermarket. Then this is the half onion chopped into the thin slices. Then we can use red chili or the green chili. Then garlic, red chili powder, olive oil. So let's start preparing. Once the onion becomes little brownish, we will add the sprouts. Adding little bit of red chili powder and just mix it. It's a very quick recipe and it's also healthy. It's rich in fiber. Cover it and cook it for another. So let's check it after 2 minutes. So you can see it's become little soft, but we don't have to cook it more. We have to keep it like half cooked so that it will be crunchy and it will be tasty. Otherwise it will become very soggy. Let's cook it for another 1 minute and then we will switch off the gas flame. Done. So I am switching off the gas flame. What are the ingredients required to prepare the eggplant curry? So I'm going to prepare it a dry eggplant curry. So for that I chop the 2 eggplants and soak it into the water so that it will not become black. Then I chopped half onion into the small pieces. Then we need cumin seeds, garlic, groundnut powder, then salt, chili powder and turmeric. And we will going to use the black masala. So these are the ingredients. So let's start preparing. Oil, and I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I'm going to add the garlic and cumin. Spattered. We will add onion, between 2 to 1 minute. I checked in between and I just check it if it is really cooked or not. So it seems it is 80% done. So at this point we are going to add the groundnut powder, give it a mix. Cover it for another 1 minute. Taiwanese style dinner plate is ready. So here a bowl of rice, eggplant curry and mung bean sprouts. So try out this recipe. It's very quick and easy. Thank you.